Hey everyone, it's Cha. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of copycat recipes. Have you ever craved a warm, savory McMuffin for breakfast? Or wished for a refreshing Starbucks pink drink on a hot day? Well, guess what? You don't have to hop in your car and drive through to satisfy those cravings. We're going to recreate some of the most popular fast food and cafe treats right here, in the comfort of our own kitchens. Not only is it a fun and rewarding experience, but it'll also save you some money in the long run. Plus, you can customize these recipes to your liking. Extra caramel, anyone? So, grab your aprons, preheat those ovens, and get ready for some seriously delicious DIY fun. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome copycat recipes. Let's get cooking! Alright, let's kick things off with a breakfast staple. The iconic McDonald's Egg McMuffin. This legendary sandwich has been fueling mornings for decades, and today, we're going to master it right in your own kitchen. Don't worry, it's way easier to make than you might think. You don't need any fancy equipment or chef skills, just a few simple ingredients and a little bit of time. First things first, we need our star ingredients: English muffins, eggs, cheese, and your choice of breakfast sausage or Canadian bacon. These are the building blocks of breakfast greatness. I'm going with classic sausage today, but honestly, you can swap in Canadian bacon for that authentic McMuffin flavor, or even try a plant-based patty if you want to keep things vegetarian. Now, for the cooking magic. We'll start by cooking our sausage patties until they're nice and browned. You want that savory, crispy edge that makes every bite irresistible. You can use a skillet on the stovetop or even pop them in the oven. Either way, make sure they're cooked through and sizzling hot. While those are sizzling away, let's toast our English muffins to golden perfection. A good toast gives you that signature crunch and holds up to all the fillings. A little bit of butter on top never hurts either. It melts right in and adds a rich, delicious flavor. Next up, the eggs. Now, here's the secret to getting those perfectly round egg patties. We're going to use metal egg rings, or if you're feeling crafty, you can fashion some out of aluminum foil. This step is what gives the Egg McMuffin its classic look. Lightly grease them with cooking spray, crack your eggs into the rings, and cook them over low heat until the whites are set. If you like your yolks a little runny, just keep an eye on them and pull them off early. Time to assemble our masterpiece. This is where all the magic comes together. Place a sausage patty on the bottom half of each English muffin, making sure it covers the muffin for that perfect bite every time, followed by a cheesy slice of American cheese. The heat from the sausage will start to melt the cheese, making it gooey and delicious. Then gently place those perfectly round egg patties on top. The egg adds that fluffy, protein-packed layer that makes this sandwich so satisfying. Finally, crown your creation with the other half of the English muffin, and voila! You've got yourself a homemade Egg McMuffin that would make Ronald McDonald proud. It looks just like the real thing, but tastes even better because you made it yourself. Seriously, the smell alone is incredible. The combination of toasted muffin, sizzling sausage, and melty cheese is enough to make anyone's mouth water. And the best part? You can customize it however you like. Make it your own by adding your favorite extras or switching up the ingredients. Add some spinach, a slice of tomato, or even a dollop of your favorite sauce. Try avocado for a creamy twist, or a dash of hot sauce for a spicy kick. The possibilities are endless, and every version is just as delicious as the last. So go ahead, get creative, and start your day with a breakfast sandwich that's truly your own. Ready for round 2 of Breakfast Bliss? This time, we're tackling the McDonald's Sausage McMuffin. It's the perfect grab-and-go breakfast for those busy mornings when you need a hearty and satisfying meal. Just like our Egg McMuffin, we'll be using English muffins, breakfast sausage patties, and American cheese. But here's where things get even easier. We're going to streamline the cooking process by cooking everything together in the oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's heating up, split your English muffins and place them cut side up on a baking sheet. Top each muffin half with a sausage patty and a slice of American cheese. Pop those cheesy delights in the oven and bake for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly and the sausage is cooked through. And that's it. No fuss, no muss, just pure breakfast goodness. These sausage McMuffins are seriously addictive. The savory sausage, the melty cheese, and the soft toasted English muffin all come together in perfect harmony. Plus, they're super easy to customize. Add a fried egg, some crispy bacon, or even a drizzle of maple syrup for a sweet and savory twist. Calling all coffee lovers. If you're someone who can't resist a sweet, creamy pick-me-up, you're in for a treat today. Get ready to transform your kitchen into your very own Starbucks with this incredible caramel macchiato recipe. It's easier than you think, and you'll be amazed at how deliciously close it tastes to the coffee shop version. It's honestly the perfect way to satisfy your caffeine cravings without even leaving the house. Imagine sipping on a creamy, caramel-infused coffee while still in your pajamas. First, let's gather our ingredients. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and fun. You'll need strong brewed coffee or espresso, whichever you prefer or have on hand. Next, grab some milk. Whole milk makes it extra creamy, but any milk works, plus a bottle of vanilla syrup for that signature flavor. Don't forget the caramel sauce, which is the star of the show. And of course, plenty of ice to keep things refreshingly cool. If you're feeling extra fancy, you can set out some toppings to really make your drink special. You can even top it off with a generous swirl of whipped cream for that coffeehouse touch. And, an extra drizzle of caramel never hurts. Go ahead and treat yourself. Now for the layering magic. This is what gives the caramel macchiato its beautiful look and unique taste. Start by drizzling about a tablespoon of caramel sauce into a tall glass. Let it coat the sides for extra flavor in every sip. Then add ice to the glass, filling it almost to the top. The ice helps keep the layers separate and the drink nice and cold. Next, pour in your milk, leaving about an inch of space at the top for the coffee. Watch as the milk swirls around the caramel. Now it's time for the star of the show, the espresso. This is what gives your macchiato its bold kick. Slowly pour your hot espresso or strong brewed coffee over the milk, letting it cascade gently for that signature layered look. Just watch as it creates a beautiful layered effect. The dark coffee floating above the creamy milk is pure coffee art. To finish off our masterpiece, drizzle about a tablespoon of vanilla syrup over the coffee. This adds a sweet, aromatic note that ties everything together. And for the grand finale, generously drizzle that luscious caramel sauce over the top. Don't be shy. This is what makes it a true caramel macchiato. If you're feeling extra indulgent, now's the time to go all out. Go ahead and top it with whipped cream, making your drink look and taste like a dessert in a glass. And an extra drizzle of caramel on top of the whipped cream is always a good idea. There you have it, a homemade caramel macchiato that looks and tastes just like the real deal. You'll be surprised at how easy it is to make such a fancy drink at home. It's the perfect balance of sweet, creamy, and caffeinated. Every sip is a little moment of luxury. Plus, you can totally customize it to your liking. Make it your own by experimenting with flavors and toppings. Use almond milk for a nutty twist, or try oat milk for a creamy, dairy-free option. Add a pump of pumpkin spice syrup for a fall-inspired treat, or experiment with hazelnut or chocolate syrups for a new flavor profile, or even sprinkle in some cinnamon for an extra touch of warmth. However you make it, your homemade caramel macchiato is sure to brighten your day. Get ready to cool down with the ultimate summer refresher, the Starbucks Pink Drink. This vibrant and fruity beverage is surprisingly easy to recreate at home, and it's honestly the perfect way to beat the heat. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need your favorite fruit juice blend. Starbucks uses a blend of Passion Tango tea and coconut milk, but you can use any fruit juice you like. You'll also need freeze-dried strawberries, coconut milk, ice, and sweetener of your choice, like simple syrup or agave nectar. Now let's get blending. In a blender, combine your fruit juice blend, freeze-dried strawberries, coconut milk, ice, and sweetener to taste. Blend until smooth and creamy, adding more ice if needed to reach your desired consistency. Pour that gorgeous pink concoction into a tall glass filled with ice. And for the finishing touch, garnish with a few fresh strawberries or a sprinkle of freeze-dried strawberry powder. There you have it, a refreshing and delicious pink drink that's perfect for any occasion. It's fruity, creamy, and oh so pretty. Plus, you can customize it to your liking. Use mango juice for a tropical twist, add a splash of pineapple juice for extra tang, or even blend in some fresh raspberries for a berrylicious explosion. Calling all matcha lovers. If you're looking for a way to make your mornings a little brighter and a lot more delicious, you're in the right place. Get ready to upgrade your morning routine with this incredible iced matcha latte recipe. It's easy, refreshing, and brings a little cafe magic right into your kitchen. It's the perfect way to enjoy the earthy goodness of matcha without even leaving the house. Whether you're a longtime matcha fan or just getting started, this recipe is sure to become a favorite. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need high-quality matcha powder, hot water, milk of your choice, dairy or plant-based, your favorite sweetener, and plenty of ice. Now, let's get whisking. In a bowl or mug, whisk together your matcha powder and hot water until it's smooth and frothy. Take your time here. Whisking well helps bring out that signature matcha flavor and creates a beautiful foam. You can use a traditional bamboo whisk called a chasen for the most authentic experience, or honestly, just a regular kitchen whisk works great too. Next, fill a tall glass with ice. The more ice, the colder and more refreshing your latte will be. Perfect for a hot day or an afternoon pick-me-up. Pour in your milk, leaving about an inch of space at the top for the matcha. You can use whole milk for extra creaminess, or try oat, soy, or coconut milk for a dairy-free option. Now, slowly pour your whisked matcha over the milk, and just watch as it creates a beautiful layered effect. The vibrant green matcha swirling into the milk is almost too pretty to drink. To finish off our masterpiece, add your sweetener of choice to taste. This is where you can really make it your own. You can use simple syrup for a classic touch, agave nectar, honey, or even stevia if you prefer a sugar-free option. And for an extra touch of sweetness, you can drizzle a little bit of honey or agave nectar over the top. It not only tastes amazing, but looks beautiful too. There you have it, a refreshing and delicious iced matcha latte that's perfect for any time of day. Serve it with a straw and give it a gentle stir to blend all those gorgeous layers together. It's creamy, slightly sweet, and packed with antioxidants that are great for your body and mind. Plus, you can totally customize it to your liking. Try different milks, sweeteners, or even add-ins to make it your own signature drink. Use almond milk for a nutty twist. Add a splash of vanilla extract for extra flavor and aroma, or even blend in some frozen banana for a creamy and satisfying treat. However you make it, this iced matcha latte is sure to brighten your day and give you a gentle energy boost. And there you have it, 5 amazing copycat recipes that will have you feeling like a culinary champion. I hope you enjoyed this delicious adventure as much as I did. Now it's your turn to get creative in the kitchen and whip up these tasty treats. Don't forget to share your culinary masterpieces with me in the comments below. I'd love to see your creations. And if you're hungry for more copycat recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you so much for joining me on this delicious journey. Until next time, happy cooking!